Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to delete the campaigns that you are running on Google Ads in a pretty easy process. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Google Ads website, then sign into your account. After that, this homepage will open up. So after this homepage opens up, just head over here to the campaigns option, then click on it. And after you click on campaigns, just like after you click here on campaigns, just click here on the campaigns option and all of your campaigns will like show up. So in order to like delete the campaigns that you want, you will see the boxes here. Just click on these boxes, like select the campaigns that you want to remove. So after you select, you will see the option for edit here. Like it will pop up here. So just click on edit and then just click here on remove. And then you are done deleting the campaigns that you want to delete from your Google Ads account. So that's it with the video guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.